Have you ever wondered how to awaken a fiery, unshakable emotional bond with a mature woman, one that leaves her utterly captivated by your presence? For many, this feels like a locked vault of secrets. But what if I told you that the key lies not in grand gestures, but in the art of intentional touch? Today, I'm breaking down the 7 powerful touch points that blend elegance, desire, and emotional intimacy, transforming you into the man who doesn't just touch her, but resonates with her soul. This isn't about cheap tricks. It's about mastering the silent language of connection that older women truly value. Heads up, the first 3 touches build electric tension, but the 5th move is a hypnotic game changer. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell. Your future self and your love life will thank you. 1. The lower back, the unspoken vow. Imagine this: you're navigating a bustling street, your hand resting lightly on the curve of her lower back. This isn't just guidance, it's a declaration. To an older woman, this touch whispers, "I see you, I protect you, I'm here." Why it works. The lower back is a nexus of vulnerability and strength. A gentle, open-palmed touch here, never possessive, always reassuring, taps into her primal need for safety. It's the same instinct that makes a dancer trust her partner's lead. Pro tip: pair it with a warm smile during mundane moments, guiding her through a door or shielding her from a crowd. She'll associate you with comfort, not just passion. 2. The nape, the secret trigger. The nape isn't just skin and bone, it's a live wire. Run your fingertips here like you're tracing invisible lace and watch her breath hitch. This zone is a vault of trust. Touching it says, "I honor your fragility." Why it works. Evolution wired the nape to trigger goosebumps. It's where predators strike, making your gentle caress a thrilling paradox. Use it sparingly. A fleeting graze as you fix her necklace, or a whisper-soft stroke during a hug. Pro tip: lean in close as if sharing a secret. Your proximity amplifies the electricity. 3. The inner arm, the silent confidant. Mid-conversation, let your thumb brush the soft skin of her inner arm, not a grab, a question. Do you feel this too? Why it works. The inner arm is rich with nerve endings but often ignored. A subtle touch here during a laugh or heartfelt moment creates a private bubble of intimacy. It's the adult version of passing notes in class. Clandestine, charged. Pro tip: match the pressure to the mood. Light for playful banter, firmer during deep talks to anchor her emotions. 4. The knee, the quiet revolution. Sitting side by side, let your palm rest on her knee like sunlight, warm, natural, undeniable. This isn't a move for the bedroom, it's for the living room. Why it works. The knee is neutral territory, making it a safe space to escalate touch without pressure. It's the bridge between friendship and desire. Imagine you're both laughing at a film. Your hand casually lands there, lingering just long enough to make her wonder. Pro tip: add a light squeeze when she shares something vulnerable. It's a non-verbal, "I'm here." 5. The waist, the hypnotic anchor. Here's where magic happens. Rest your hand on her waist during a slow dance, a photo, or even while cooking. This isn't just touch, it's ownership of the moment. Why it works. The waist is the body's emotional equator. A firm, steady hold here, never squeezing, screams confidence. It's the difference between a boy who hesitates and a man who leads. Hypnotic twist. Pull her slightly closer, just an inch as you touch here. Her subconscious will flood with dopamine, tying your presence to raw attraction. Want a phrase that makes her addicted to your texts. These psychological love codes bypass her logic and ignite primal obsession. One man used message number 3, and she showed up at his door at 2 a.m. Grab them free below. but only if you're ready for her to become consumed by you. 6. The hands, time traveler's tool. Holding hands isn't juvenile, it's a time machine. Envelop her hand in yours, thumb stroking her knuckles, and you'll transport her to first loves and stolen moments. Why it works. Older women crave nostalgia wrapped in maturity. A handhold says, "I'm serious, but I still play." Next level move. Lift her hand to your lips and pause, eyes locked, before kissing it. The anticipation will wreck her. 7. The wrist. The elegant provocateur. The wrist is where sophistication meets sin. Brush your lips here, once, softly, and you're not just kissing skin. You're kissing a pulse point tied to her heartbeat. Why it works. The wrist's veins are visibly vulnerable, making your kiss a dare. Trust me with your heartbeat. Pro tip. Do this as you say goodbye. She'll spend all night replaying it. The unspoken rule. Touch is a conversation. Every touch should ask, "May I?" and "Do you want more?" Watch her body, leaning in, eyes widening. That's your green light. Pulling back, retreat gracefully. Your respect will deepen her curiosity. Final mission. Practice one touch this week. Then come back, hit like, and tell me her reaction in the comments. Ready to become the man she can't forget? Subscribe. Tomorrow's video reveals how to make her fantasize about you with just your voice. Your journey to becoming her obsession starts now.